Today's session we are going to discuss about the irrational numbers. We already know about the definition of irrational numbers. So we recall the definition of irrational numbers. A real number is called irrational if it cannot be written in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and q not equal to 0. We already know p is a numerator and q is denominator. For example, square root 2, square root 3 and square root of 15 and square root of p. These are the example of irrational numbers. Why? Because 2, 3 and 15 means we can write it as a 3 into 5 and p are prime numbers. The numbers which are under root are called irrational numbers. These we cannot write as a p by q form. The numbers which are under the root and they cannot be written in the form of p by q are called irrational numbers. We have another definition for irrational number. A real number is also called irrational if it is non-terminating and non-repeating decimal in its decimal form. For example, 0.10110, 1110, 11110 and so on. Here no digit is repeating and no group of digits are repeating here. So it is called non-terminating, non-repeating decimal. Another example 3.141592653 and so on. Here this number also not have any repeating or non-terminating repeating decimals in it. So these number also called irrational numbers. So irrational number also can be defined as the decimal numbers which are non-terminating, non-repeating decimals in its decimal form.